The performance page in AI is the central control interface for your show. On the left we can see the layers in the project, in the middle we can see the pieces of media, and on the right we can see the banks or groups of media. We start the project with 4 layers, but you can as a user add more layers or delete existing layers as you like and as your system performance will allow. In the center of the screen we have our media. So that could be a still image, a moving image, a live input, or even a generative patch. Really there's no discrimination in AI when controlling different media types. On the right are the different groups. If we click through them, we can actually see that these are different groups of videos which have been imported, each of which can have its own unique settings. When we want to trigger a video onto a layer, we simply select the chosen layer on the left by left clicking with the mouse, and then we can left click on one of the pieces of media and it will crossfade into the layer. If we want to play something on another layer, we simply select a second layer, trigger another piece of media, and initially we can't see both of the layers, and this is down to the blend mode used on the layer. So if we look on the quick controls on the layer itself, we can see the word alpha. If we give this one a click, we see a drop down of our different blend modes, and we can select a chosen mode here. I'm going to choose additive. Now we see the combination or the addition of those 2 layers together, and we can actually affect the opacity of each layer with the layer fader. We also have speed controls on the layer, as well as playback controls for different play modes, playhead control, and many other controls such as audio, emptying the layer, and layer information. 2 left clicks on the layer preview gives you an extended layer control. That adds things like color, positioning, and even effects on the layer. So we can go in, we can choose an effect, we can adjust some parameters and see the results instantly. If we right click on a clip, we get clip specific properties, so these will override the layer properties when used. On the right we can see simple properties for positioning, cropping and colorization, as well as a bit of color channel boosting, brightness, contrast and gain. And on the left we have mainly triggering methods, so whether we're using time code, whether the clips are grouped together, whether they have a specific destination within the mix.